ChatGPT was just the start. After reviewing over 1,000 plus AI websites, here are the 7 of the best ones I can find that will 10x your productivity. Number 1, Fireflies. AI Fireflies delivers comprehensive action items, meeting outlines, paragraph summaries, and shorthand bullet points from every online meeting you join. Number 2, Vondi.com, an all-in-one AI website for any use case you can think of, from creating a resume for a job to creating titles for your YouTube videos. Number 3, Undetectable.ai. This tool turns your AI written content that can be detected by your teachers into undetectable AI human-like writing that will bypass any AI detection writing software. Number 4, Castmagic.io. You can turn your audio into ready-to-use content. This is a massive cheat code for anyone creating content. Number 5, InVideo.io. This website can convert your ideas into videos instantly, generate scripts, select from a vast library of stock footage, and even add realistic voiceovers. Number 6, Kyber.ai. You can bring any ideas to visuals with this new AI animation website. And lastly, number 7, Wise1.io. With this website, you can enhance your online reading experience and get reliable information everywhere. Explore the web while reading and receive instant answers to your most complex questions.